Adding a payment to a customer is quick and straightforward. 1. Select the customer you want to apply the payment to. 2. At the top of the screen, click the Payment tab. In the upper right corner of the payment screen, click the plus icon to add a new payment. Now that you've added a new payment, complete the payment details first. Select the payment date for the transaction you're entering. Now choose the payment type by clicking the drop-down menu. Enter any additional details needed for this payment. If desired, you can add a reference at the bottom of the form for your records. Next, choose which invoices you want to apply the payment to. Click the checkbox at the front of each invoice you'd like to include. As you select them, the total will automatically update in the amount box in the upper left corner. To complete the payment, click the check mark in the upper right corner. Finally, click the Dashboard tab at the top of the screen. You'll now see the payment listed in the customer's history. If you're applying a partial payment, update the payment column to reflect the amount you received. Then press Tab. When you're finished, click the check mark in the upper right corner to post the payment. To apply credits to a customer, select Credit from the Payment Type drop-down. If the customer has available credits, they will appear highlighted in the lower left corner. Check the checkbox next to the credit you want to use, and it will automatically apply to the oldest outstanding invoice. When you're finished, click the check mark in the upper right corner to post the payment. That's all there is to adding payments.